Assalamu alaikum. Take my salam, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will always good and stay home. My dear students, have you seen? Introduce me. I am Ahsan Habib, assistant teacher of Sarkarbari High School. My dear students, have you seen any person on your area for some selling things and entertain people, some men, and sell herbal cure? My dear students, those people are gypsy men. So my dear students, we related our topics same, river gypsy in Bangladesh. My dear students, open your EFT. I read in your class 8 English first paper, unit 7, lesson 3. Open your EFT, page number 82. My dear students, write down the river gypsy in Bangladesh, our topics. My dear students, here is a look at the picture and discuss of you. My dear students, first picture, I think I can see somebody floating floating river of the river. Some people are sitting those. These boat are this house of gypsy in monsoon time. Second picture, there are some tents. There are also some people in each and every tent. There are the house of gypsy in the mainland in winter season. My dear students, read the text and answer the following question silently and attentively, my dear students. And follow me. River gypsy are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. They are known as Bede to local people. স্থানীয় লোকেরা এদেরকে বেদে নামে চেনে. The gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. They live in groups and do not own any land. Therefore, they have a nomadic life, traveling from one place to another. These people roam across our river and water from May to December in small country boats. Those boats are their house and those people are a part of our water. In winter, many water bodies dry up. At that time, they return to the mainland and live in makeshift tarpaulin tents on open river banks. You can see their men relaxing in the tents, toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the dust. Women often idle away time by her doing picking off or lies in toes or those sitting in a row. Now, my dear students, some vocabulary. Main word, gypsies. Write down your khata. Gypsies, that means Bengali Jajabar ba Bede. Similar word, traveling people. Ethnic, nitatik. My dear students, ethnic, that Bengali nitatik, relating word হচ্ছে relating to the community having its own culture. Roam, ঘুরে বেড়ানো. Wander, similar word. Tarpaulin, পানি অভেদ্য মোটা ক্যাম্বিস কাপড়. That means waterproof. My dear students, sheet made a waterproof. Also word tents, that means tabu, remedy, প্রতিকার করা. My dear students, now with some questions discuss questions and answer this question. হু আর রিভার জিপসিস? রিভার জিপসি কে? রিভার জিপসিস আর অ্যান ইথনিক গ্রুপ অফ পিপুল ইন বাংলাদেশ। রিভার জিপসিস আর অ্যান ইথনিক গ্রুপ অফ পিপুল ইন বাংলাদেশ। হাউ ডু দে লিভ? They live in group leading on nomadic life and traveling from one place to another. What do the river gypsies do in winter? শীতকালে যাযাবররা কী করে? In winter, the river gypsies spends time ideally, অলসভাবে জীবনযাপন করে। My dear students, now we choose the best answer. The term ethnic is connected to. The term ethnic to is connected to. Relating word কে হতে পারে? People, না plants, animals, না fishes? Answer the choose answer, my dear students. People, you know. River gypsies roam around on their boats about months. কয় মাস? 6 না 7 না 8 না 9? মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, কয় মাস জীবনযাপন করে মাসে, বছরে? 6, 7, 8? মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, আনসার 8. মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, সো টেক এ হোমওয়ার্ক. What do river gypsies man do for a living? Next class homework, my dear students, what do river gypsies men do for a living? অর্থাৎ জিপসির লোকেরা কিভাবে জীবনযাপন করে। তোমরা জানো, gypsies man catch snakes, entertain people with snake charming and sell harbor cures. So see you again, my dear students. Thank you.